Well, I've been thinking about what's the most frequently used phrase in my daily life because I want the Chinese learning to be more practical for you. So this is what I realized. Before I moved out of my mom's house, one of the most frequently used sentence for me was, "Mom, I'm hungry." And after I moved out of my mom's house, now one of my most frequently used sentences in life is, "Bae, I'm hungry." So I think you should know that. That's why we're here today, learning the different ways of saying "I'm hungry" in Mandarin Chinese based on your level of hungriness. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siki. I'm a native Mandarin Chinese speaker and a Chinese language tutor. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin Chinese in a fun way for free. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting a new video every Wednesday. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. How do we say "I'm hungry" in Chinese? When you're just a little hungry, in Chinese we say 我有点饿。我有点饿。I'm a little hungry. The word 有点 is basically just a northern dialect in Chinese. The pronunciation is kind of similar with when we pronounce the letter R in English. So 有点我有点饿。So what do we say when we're more than a little hungry? 我饿了。I'm hungry. 我饿了。I'm hungry. So now, you're at work and then you haven't finished your tasks before your lunch break, so sadly you have to just be there and finish it before you actually go grab your lunch. What do you say when you feel very hungry? 我好饿呀。我好饿呀。We all know that 好 means good in Mandarin Chinese, but here it describes the level or the degree of your hungriness. It has the meaning of very. So 我好饿呀. I'm very hungry. I know some of you guys want to ask, why isn't very 非常? Because I bet that many people learn very as 非常 in Chinese. But when we say 我非常饿, it just sounds, how to say, very unnecessarily formal in your daily life. I don't think I have ever heard of anyone saying 我非常饿. So 我好饿呀 is one of the most native way to say I'm very hungry. I'm starving. 我饿死了。我饿死了。饿死了 basically means hungry to death. So when you want to say I'm starving in Chinese, we say 我饿死了。So this last one is a little bit long, but this is what I usually say. 我太饿了。饿得我胃疼。我太饿了。I'm too hungry. 太 express a high level of hungriness. 饿得我胃疼。My hungriness is making my stomach hurt. So 我太饿了。饿得我胃疼 means I'm too hungry. It makes my stomach hurt. So that's the 5 different ways of describing I'm hungry in Mandarin Chinese based on your level of hungriness. Let's review them together. 我有点饿。我有点饿。I'm kinda hungry, or I'm a little hungry. 我饿了。我饿了。I'm hungry. 我好饿呀。我好饿呀。I'm very hungry. 我饿死了。我饿死了。I'm starving. 我太饿了，饿得我胃疼。我太饿了，饿得我胃疼。I'm too hungry, and it makes my stomach hurt. So that's today's video. If you do think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe. You can also turn on your notification bell, so every time when I upload a new video, you get to learn Mandarin Chinese for free. Don't forget to share your experience with learning Mandarin Chinese in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. 我饿死了，我要去吃饭了。